For most of human history, nature was not understood, but feared, worshipped, and often mistaken for magic. When the sky suddenly ignited with blinding lightning, people believed gods were battling above their heads. Lightning seemed like a weapon thrown from the heavens as a sign of anger or warning. In reality, it is simply an electrical discharge balancing invisible forces within the atmosphere. Sometimes fireballs streaked across the sky, shining brighter than any star in the night. To ancient observers, these blazing lights were omens of coming disaster. Today, we know them as meteors, fragments of cosmic debris burning in Earth's atmosphere. In polar regions, curtains of colored light ripple silently across the dark horizon. Many cultures believed spirits were dancing above the frozen Earth. But these lights form when solar particles collide with Earth's magnetic field. In certain places, ocean waves glow blue at night, as if the water itself is alive. Sailors once believed enchanted waters were guiding them safely through darkness. The glow is created by microscopic organisms reacting to movement in the water. In deserts, towering columns of spinning wind sometimes rise into the sky. They were once thought to be spirits crossing the land. In truth, they are rotating columns of heated air rising rapidly from the ground. In dark forests, glowing spheres occasionally drift between the trees. Legends described them as wandering souls of the dead.
Spirits, perhaps. We must see.
Yes, forward.
Science explains them as ignited gases rising from decaying organic matter. In remote regions, stones appear to move across dry lake beds without human touch. For decades, their silent motion seemed impossible to explain. Eventually, thin sheets of ice and steady wind were revealed as the hidden force. Even rainbows were once interpreted as bridges between worlds. Their perfect arc of color seemed too precise to be accidental. But it is simply sunlight refracted and reflected within suspended water droplets. Nature's magic was never supernatural. It was science waiting to be understood.